morning, my dear students. Welcome to our today's lecture. In previous lecture, we study about the lesson number 14 in subject grammar. In 14th lesson, we study about the adjectives kinds. In this lecture, we study the what is mean by adjective. So you know that the adjective means what? So adjective means or adjective always gives us information about the noun. So what is mean by noun? Noun means the name of person, place, animal or thing. This is called the noun. And the adjectives kinds. So adjectives gives us information about the noun. And here give the one example. The flower is a beautiful. So flower is a noun and beautiful is a adjective. Or this is a beautiful flower. So beautiful is an adjective and flower is a noun. And in this way we completed the page number 34 and 35 as well as 36. And adjectives there are kinds. Kinds means the types. Kinds means types. So in previous lecture we studied the type adjective of quality. So what is meant by adjective of quality? Adjective of quality means adjective of quality or descriptive adjectives tell us about the kind of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. In a second type, the adjectives of quantity. So what is meant by adjective of quantity? Adjectives of quantity will answer the questions how much. Okay, and today we will learn about the adjectives of number on page number 37. So what is meant by adjectives of number? So adjectives of number means adjectives of number are also adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of number are also adjectives of quantity, but they are used when you want to give a more precious answer. They answer the questions how many. प्रेसियस आन्सर एक विशिष्ट असा आन्सर तुम्हाला द्यायचा नंबरचं. दॅट इज कॉल्ड द ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ नंबर. म्हणजे विशेषण म्हणजे काय तर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. नामाबद्दल विशेष माहिती सांगणाऱ्या शब्दाला विशेषण असं म्हणतात. दॅट इज कॉल्ड द ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. सो ॲडजेक्टिव्ह द नेक्स्ट टाइप इज द ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ नंबर. So what is meant by adjective of number? So adjective of number means that the adjective of number are also the adjective of quantity, but they are used when you want to give a more precious answer. Suppose here give the example. So let's start with the example. Question number E. Underline the adjectives of number in the sentences. 1. My father has a 5 brothers. So adjective of number is the 5. Then second, the Taj Mahal has a 22 domes and 12 fountains. So 22 and 12 are the numbers. Therefore, these are the adjective of number. Then third number, there are 11 players in a hockey team. So 11 is the number. So it is called the adjective of number. Fourth, my grandmother is a 76 years old. So here given number is a 76. So adjective of number is a 76. There are 10 boys in my class. So 10 is a adjective of number. And there are 33 bridges across the river Thames in London. So 33 is the adjective of number. Okay. Like these students, the numbers above the called the cardinal numbers and they can tell you about the exact number of objects. We also have ordinal numbers which can give us information about the order in which people or things appear in a particular sequence, like the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is an ordinal number. So how we write the ordinal adjective? Cardinal number. Sarah was the first girl in the hockey team to score a goal. So first is a ordinal or cardinal number. Peter is the third boy from the left. So third is a cardinal numbers. Okay. So my dear students, the next type is a demonstrative adjectives. So demonstrative adjectives are used to point out or draw our attention to something. Means that here demonstrative adjective means that the demonstrative adjectives are used to point out or draw our attention to something. Means that here remember म्हणजे काय दिलेलं आहे नेमकं यामध्ये काय आहे. यूज this 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 and this THESE these to talk about things that are near to us. ज्या गोष्टी आपल्या जवळ आहेत त्यांच्याविषयी बोलायचं असेल तर this and this. The spelling of this 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 and this THESE these. Okay. Then next use that and those to talk about things that are not near to us. Means that which things are not near to us. So we use the that and those. That so THAT that and those THOSE those. So ज्या गोष्टी आपल्या जवळ नाही आहेत लांब आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी कोणता वर्ड यूज करायचा आहे. दॅट THAT and those THOSE those. Okay, this and that are used before singular noun. Already you know that the what is meant by singular noun and what is meant by plural noun. So okay, so singular noun and plural noun, the example is a box, boxes. Okay, girl, girls, boy, boys. This is a singular and plural. Boy is a singular, boys is a plural. Box is a singular, boxes is a plural. Okay, girl is a singular, girls are the plural. So these and that are used before singular noun. जे singular noun आहे तिथं this आणि that हे यूज करायचं आहे. Then these and those are used before plural noun. These आणि those जे आहे ते plural nounच्या आधी आपल्याला वापरायचं आहे. Understand the demonstrative adjective means what? Okay. So students, so my dear students, here ask the question F. Complete these sentences with this, that and those. Do not jumbling with this. Their pronunciation is the same but spellings are different. This means THIS. This. That means THAT. This means THESE and those means THOSE. Already you know that the rules. This and that to talk about things that are nearer to us. ज्या जवळ गोष्टी आहेत त्यांना this and that वापरायचं आहे. Okay. This and this वापरायचं आहे. That and those to talk about things that are not near to us. ज्या गोष्टी जवळ नाही आहेत त्यांना that आणि those वापरायचं आहे. This and that are used before singular noun. Singular noun असेल तर त्याच्या आधी this आणि that वापरायचं आहे. आणि before plural noun we use the these and those. Okay. So next, sometimes we have a more than one adjective in front of noun and there are some rules for the order in a different adjective. जर नाउनच्या आधी ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आलं असेल तर एकापेक्षा जास्त तर काय होईल. ॲडजेक्टिव्ह दॅट एक्सप्रेस अ जनरल ओपिनियन सच एज अ नाईस ऑर ब्युटिफुल कम फर्स्ट. तर मग ॲडजेक्टिव्ह कसं एक्सप्रेस होईल तर ओपिनियन ते स्वतःचं एक जनरल ओपिनियन देईल. नाईस ऑर ब्युटिफुल कम फर्स्ट ते पहिल्यांदा येईल. कलर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह युजली कम आफ्टर अदर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. ओके, जे कलर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आहेत ते कधी येतात तर अदर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह नंतर. Adjectives that tell us about size come before adjectives that describe the shape or edge. For example, the old brown chair in the corner is my father's. Okay, understand? So my dear students, already we discussed about these adjective kinds and remaining some parts we study on today. So today's homework of subject grammar. So in a lesson number 14, solve the question number E, question number F and question number G and send me with the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.